That's the masculine way of things. That's that mystery we talk about when it comes to the women. But we're supposed to get the fuck out of the village. Comforts of the womb. Familiarity kills polarity as far as a relationship. And the bigger part of that, masculine is supposed to get the fuck out of the village. We're supposed to be checking on nets, checking the perimeter, checking the village, expanding the perimeter, exploring and discovering some shit, chopping the wood, whatever we're supposed to do, and then come back. Men and masculine nowadays has become so feminine. That's to all of us because we have the luxuries, the comforts of the womb. We don't have to hunt to get our food. Fucking Uber Eats it. We don't have to hunt to go get money. We can work from home. Like, there's so much comfort, freedom. We don't have to hunt for women. Go on Pornhub. Don't get me wrong, I'm not saying these are the ways to go because there's detrimental effects to all of it. But that is the overall detrimental. Why 63% of men are single? Why men aren't men? Why the masculine polarities are so off balance between men and women even. The comforts of the modern man don't have to take on the unknown, don't have to expand or push themselves. You can get a monkey work job, you can fucking play with your monkey at home if you can type Pornhub, you can just get everything with ease and comfort, and it's a small, comforting, uncomfortable life in my eyes if you have any aspirations. But it's a big factor actually taking shit on. So how do you take on, what was it, like staying motivated or the things that you don't want to do? Fucking do it anyway. That's the way of masculine. Nobody wanted to go kill a fucking lion. That wasn't as braggadocious as you thought because they didn't have fucking guns and safety precautions and knowledge on it. It was like, fuck, you gotta kill a lion to be a man. Go fucking kill a lion. We know you don't want to. That's why it's some man shit.